Good morning everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just wanted to show you how much stuff I have fit in my tumbler. I had 5 pounds of this stainless steel media. I put in a good squirt of Dawn after the first couple hours tumbling. If I'm happy with what I have, then I'll use this 402, I think it is, polishing compound. It helps give it a kind of a little protection. But you have to see this. I was amazed whenever I dumped it out. It's all Windchime parts, so it's all the ends of spoons and forks and other things. But you have got to see this. Isn't that crazy? I will put a count of how many things are actually in here, how many pieces, but these all get turned into, I'll just get the little holes drilled in them, and then they'll become part of my Windchime parts. But it's crazy how many pieces are in here. Still got a couple of pieces of the shot. But so this is from cutting them off. They've all been sanded down with my belt sander, and then all I have to do now is drill the holes. Normally I would have done that prior, but I just needed to get everything ready for today. I have one day to get 10 or 12 Windchime parts set, and that's a lot of parts. So this is just after running with the Dawn. That's all that I did to this. So the dark stuff, so this is mostly a brass piece, but it's dark. This is a nickel silver piece. It's still shiny, but it kind of still has that little off color. So if you put in tarnished stuff, you're gonna get tarnished, shiny tarnish out. But this was insane. I will try and put a link, or not a link, a number in the comment or the description. So here's another what came out of my tumbler today. I hope you guys all have a great day, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And also check out our other outlets, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I hope everyone has a great day.